Alright, give Jerry a lease of life. Jerrington. There he is. Isn't that a cute little purr?
Right. Getting my head around everything. Are we going that way?
We are, yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
We've got some action unfolding behind us, haven't we? Yeah, I never know where to park. I'm really sorry. I always get a bit panicky. I'm like, do I go over there? Do I go here? Is there space? Am I in somebody's way?
I do the same. It's fine. As long as we're sat here, we can move. I can't see anything moving. Just all out, and there's a car.
Okay, so you could cancel that now. Just let them pass, and then you're going to look again. I know it's a lot of looking. All of them, yeah, because things change, don't they? Especially in a busy situation like this. And then based on your observations, you decide whether that signal is necessary. Fabulous.
Yeah, that's always good.
Good. I love these obs over the left shoulder. They're really important. Well done. Very good. Nicely moved off, Millie. That's lovely. Safety first, and you certainly were very safe.
Thank you.